Good morning, Bears. I'm Mr. Serna. Welcome back to your BTV announcements. Today is Monday, March 24th, and teachers, it's time to nominate your students for the Bear Awards, scheduled for April 30th. The Academic Award is submitted by the department coordinator, with the Club Leadership Award nominated by the club sponsor. The most inspirational award is for a student who inspires other individuals, and the Bear Grit Award is for a student who acts with persistence and commitment. This award is not necessarily based on grades or athleticism. Here's a shout out to our Bears soccer team whose season ended last Thursday after a by-district playoff loss to Reagan. Our Bears ended their season with 14 wins, 5 losses, and 3 ties. Good season, folks. Seniors, you ready to embrace the exciting journey of becoming a road runner? Attend the UTSA Rowdy Ready Workshop, an informative session today in the Career Center during all 3 lunch periods. Don't miss out. Tomorrow, Student Council will pick up recycling. They added this date to accommodate their March challenge. For this challenge, they asked that you add plastic bags, retail shopping bags, produce bags, or dry cleaning bags to your recycling for the month. Students, if you have some bundles of plastic bags at home, bring them in to E238 on or before Tuesday. Help our Bears football team raise money in the Lift-A-Thon fundraiser to aid in purchasing team gear, program equipment, and other football expenses. Each athlete has a monetary goal, so please consider donating or sharing via social media at BFNDFball so that they may reach their goal. The freshman class is starting to fundraise for their senior prom because it's never too early to start raising money. Anyone can donate and every dollar counts. So they ask you to scan this QR code to help the class of 2028 prepare for the best prom ever. Support Brennan Fashion at Dave's Hot Chicken during the fundraiser night on Thursday from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Highway 151. Scan this QR code when paying at the register, so 10% of the proceeds go to fashion. Bears, show us who you are in comic book style by taking part in the PTSA's Find Yourself poster contest. You have a chance to win prizes and have your artwork showcased at Nerdvana Con on Wednesday. The deadline for the poster is tomorrow. For more details, send an email to Brennan PTSA at gmail.com. On Wednesday, attend Nerdvana Con, a literacy-focused community event that celebrates creativity, innovation, and engagement within the Brennan community. The free event brings together local businesses and organizations committed to empowering young minds. It's from 4:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Attend. Finally, hope you've kept an eye on your absences. Why? Because you may be exempt from the spring semester exam if you have 3 or fewer absences from January 7th to May 29th, excluding school business absences. You also need to have an 80 or higher final average for the spring semester. Your conduct is satisfactory or better, and you need to attend during the scheduled exam time. However, students enrolled in dual credit, on-ramps, college prep math, and college prep English courses must take their semester exams. This is all we have for today. Don't forget to follow us on X and also on Instagram at BTV Bears. You can also catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Mr. Serna, sign off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in learning, and evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.